Akala mo I am asking that one because I saw already that like a building is moving. It's like a moving for us. No, it's just your imagination. It's not only the this one. The cloud is moving. The cloud is moving, not the building. kayo kasi akala ninyo eh. The cloud is moving, not the building, ate. It's a cloud is moving. Alam mo yung dati, pinangarap ko lang na pumunta dito kasi nakikita ko sa YouTube yung daan na to. Pero we are here. It's so we are biking here. We are happy. And the building is moving. Building is moving. So sabi ni ate, it's not the building, the cloud is moving. See, it's so nice, amazing weather. Today it's very, very good. It's not hot. It's so amazing. Hello everybody. I hope you enjoy also because kami dito nag-i-enjoy na rin. Bye and God bless all. It's so windy. Bye-bye. Love you all.